Hey there! Are you guys ready to jump into June? Or you probably are heading to the campground, you might be heading to the ball fields, you might actually be heading to the county fair. Perhaps you're heading on a road trip. Wherever you're going this summer, a game of bingo is a good way to gather a crowd. So, since we're going to be jumping, jiving, and jamming into June, we want you to get on board with bingo. It's so simple. Avoid that summer slide, show off these customized solution sets for summer that your customers are sure to be using. Did you know that the embroidery options are endless on these crosshatch prints? You can do something simple like a stamp initial, or you can get a little bit more fun and crazy and do something that's a little bit more quirky and fits your personality, like hashtag, kind of a big deal. So fun. No matter what you're doing, your customers are going to want to see these products with personalization, because that is the beauty of it. It's like a clean slate on these crosshatch prints, and the possibility for what you can put from icons to initials to monograms to phrases are endless. So be sure that you are taking and giving those suggestions to them, because when you provide options and you provide a preview of what that might look like, or encourage them to create a preview of their own on your website using the personalization studio, you are sure to see a little bit of an increase in your sales because of that added personalization. Then once you've been doing your work and getting some help on your sales with the added personalization, you're going to be at a point to start crossing off some squares on your bingo board. So at 31, we've paired with 31, and we've got this bingo board for you this summer. And the focus obviously is the crosshatch print. This is the first time they're doing a print family as a sale item. So you'll be able to pick from a wide array of, I think there's maybe 35 plus items, that you'll be able to select a print in the crosshatch print and use that as your sale item. So did you know, fun fact, if you sell 5 June specials, you are going to be just over that $200 in volume mark. That's fantastic for any of you that are, really just a hobbyist consultant that wants to kind of hang on, be active, and be a part of the 31 family. For those of you that are interested in doing a little bit more, consider booking a party for June to help get all of these great items into the hands of your customers, or see about booking a party from one of those June parties and keeping your consistency going into the month of July. If you've got a party going, help coach that hostess to get her up to that $600 party mark. That's going to give you another square on the bingo board. So think about it. You've got those 5 specials. That's going to help you to have your 200 in PV if that's your goal. If you bust out a blackout, I believe you're going to be earning yourself one of these adorable backpacks. So stay tuned and check out 31 today for more details on those backpacks. But when you submit $1,000 in personal volume in the month of June, you are going to receive one of these exclusive jewel backpacks for free. And that if you submit your sales before the 15th in the month of June and you get to that $1,000 before the 15th, I believe you are actually going to get this in your hands sooner than later, so that you will be able to use it to book some of those July parties. Since, here's a little spoiler, this is going to be that hostess special in the month of July. So be sure that you are on track, having conversations while you're out and about this summer, when you're at the campground, when you're at the county fair. Be sure that you are using your 31 products and showing off those great personalization options that we have in our crosshatch printed items. So no matter what you're doing this summer, it's entirely up to you how you run your bingo board. But as long as you are working your business this summer, in addition to having some fun, you will be earning bingos before you know it.